Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome you all on GPC Dosa's YouTube channel. You are listening our videos. I am teaching you English lessons. In our last lesson, I talked about phrase and the clause. I talked about noun phrase and preposition phrase. Today, I am going to tell you about adjective phrase. Students, the foremost thing is that whenever you are listening to these videos, please keep a notebook and a pen with you. Whatever you listen, just make some notes, and after listening and understanding well the lessons, I recommend you to go through the exercises. You should take out your English books, any book you have with you, or you can take exercises online. There are plenty of exercises online on all the topics you need. In case you have any difficulty, you can contact me. I am available. So, let's now start with the topic, the adjective phrase. You know well about the adjective, what the adjective is. An adjective describes about the noun, it modifies or qualifies the noun. Likewise, an adjective phrase also modifies and qualifies the noun. It tells about the noun or the noun phrase. It is a phrase that acts like an adjective. It adds meaning, it modifies a noun. It adds meanings. It adds meaning to a noun or a pronoun. An adjective phrase comprises of adjectives, modifiers, and other words. For example, small, good, tall, beautiful. These are the words which are called adjectives. But when I use some words in a group and they act as an adjective, they are called adjective phrases. For example, she is very beautiful. In this sentence, very beautiful, these two words are coming together, they are coming in a group, and they are acting as an adjective. Now look at the sentence. The boy in the shop is my friend. The boy in the shop is my friend. In this sentence, the boy in the shop is a noun phrase. And in this noun phrase, the head word is boy. The is determiner. And in the shop is again a phrase, and you may call that it comprises in preposition and the shop noun phrase and becomes a preposition phrase. Hence, it is a prepositional phrase, but acts and modifies the noun boy. So, in the shop is an adjective phrase. The sentence, she gave me a cup full of tea. Now, imagine the sentence, she gave me a cup. The sentence has a subject, a verb give, me object, and a cup again object. The sentence has two objects. Now, the words full of tea. These three words forming a group are put after the noun cup, and these words modify the meaning of cup. So, this phrase, this group is a modifier and it is an adjectival phrase. Now look at the third sentence. She bought a beautiful brown chair. The verb is buy and the object is a beautiful brown chair. This whole phrase is the object of the verb buy. In this phrase is noun phrase, and in this noun phrase the head word or the main word is a noun which is chair. So if I say she bought a chair, we have complete meaning and a well formed sentence. But if we go on to modify the meaning of chair, what kind of chair she bought, so if one says a beautiful brown chair, the words a beautiful brown, these words are coming here, they are put before the word, before the noun chair to modify the meaning of chair. The meaning is now specified, beautiful and brown. So these words coming before the noun, in themselves they are a group and act as a modifier and act as an adjective of the noun chair. So they are adjective phrase. In this way we show the adjective phrase working as an adjective. Adjective phrase functions same as an adjective. An adjective is a single word. Adjective phrase is a group of words, two words or more than two words. A prepositional phrase may work, may modify the meaning of noun, so it will be called adjectival phrase. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. An adjective can function as a complement of the verb when the sentence has no object and the adjective is put after the verb. The adjective works as a complement of the subject. and whenever it is put after the object, the adjective works as a complement of object. This is a different topic about which we will talk later. The basic function of the adjective and adjectival phrase is to modify a noun phrase, or a sentence. Please go through the exercises, whatever platform they are available to you. You have your text with you, you may have any grammar book with you, or you may search online these exercises. So please never forget to exercise on your own. Learning English and English grammar is never a straight way. All the topics are related with each other. Any topic you study or read, never forget the previous chapters. All the time you will acquire new things. So just read and practice.